I just want to show you this, guys. It's a beautiful place in Cromwell. It's very beautiful. There's a GTR down there. Everything. And Jesus Christ, everyone's just watching me right now. It's quite embarrassing. But that's the GTR down there. Look how beautiful it is. Fortunately, the AC is not working well on that car. I don't know why, but it does sound good though. I need to have a better view on it. See how beautiful it is down there. Not gonna lie, doing a vlog in the highway when people are looking at you and everything is a bit embarrassing. But I don't mind, to be honest. But sometimes, yeah, but most of the time, no. But yeah, we're heading home now and everything. And I'll see you down there, guys. Alright. Well, this Lindis pass now. After all of these cars. do a vlog where I pull over, but there's this Swedish people, well, family, come meet me down there. So I started talking to them and everything, and they did mention in Swedish, Switzerland. Don't forget that one. Whoever's, if you guys are watching my vlog, please look for Switzerland. When you have a loud exhaust in Switzerland, you go to prison. Unfortunately, that's what they said, like the family goes to prison and everything. So I didn't vlog what happened and everything, but I did show the car to them. Well, the kid let him sit on my car. I let him sit on the car, read it, rubbed it, and he loves it. But unfortunately, he's an evil guy, which I respectfully fine with that. I love Evos. I was almost bought an Evo before my old S50. But yeah, they're lovely family from Switzerland. I'm so sorry if I forgot to ask their name. If you're watching these videos, thank you so much for meeting you guys, and hope you appreciate the car. I mean, it's a loud car, so you probably rarely see that. So, and I think they're going to Lake Tikapo after this. So I did mention about Mount Cook and Hooker Valley, that they may can go down there and have a look for themselves. I've been to Mount Cook, I've been to Hooker Valley, and I did the Red Trans too. It's a lovely place. I don't think they know about that place, but hopefully they go to Mount Cook and appreciate the view down there. Unfortunately, I'm not going to the road going to Lake Tikapo. I'm going to the other side, which is going to like Waimea and stuff and everything like that. So yeah, so that's a real. I'm really flattered that they love me. I'm really flattered that they're grateful on that one. They're real lovely. They're real nice. Alright guys, I'm back. Apologies for the video getting cut out. My Insta 360 died on me. So it's on charge at the moment. And I don't know how much percent it has left. But anyways, I just want to say it was nice meeting you to the Switzerland family. And that's a cup in front of me. It is a cup. You won't fool me. Anyways, it was nice meeting you for the Switzerland family. I do apologize for not asking your name, but hopefully you guys go to Mount Cook, especially Hooker Valley, to appreciate the view down there. And on the vlog side, I'm pretty much on the way home. I still got 2-hour drive home. There's nothing much to say unless I show you the view on this one, which is quite a nice view going home. I think we're on, I don't even know where we are, middle of nowhere. So far so good on the cars, haven't had any issue on it. But on the way to Lindis Pass, there's a big metal piece that felt on the throttle body, or throttle line, that kind of hit something outside the underneath chassis. I don't know what happened to that one, but anyways guys, I'll probably talk to you later once I go home, or something exciting happened on the way home. But yeah, I'll see you soon guys. We at the car wash now. We're at Timor now, and we're at the car wash. Why did it stop? There it goes. Good. Yeah. There's a car wash in Timor, which is a brushless one, which I go to. So it's pretty much safe to do it on my GTR. I don't want to get scratched on it. Very strong motor though. Jesus Christ. It's very strong. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm pretty much like 5 minutes away from here to Meru. And thank goodness it survived. It actually survived the trip. Except for the clutch is still slipping. So I need a new clutch for that one. Other than that, it was a good trip. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I'm on home though. Just want to relax while the car wash doing its thing. And we're finally home. That was a long drive, not gonna lie. GTR is nice and clean. Managed to survive it. Why is it blurry? Blurry, focus, there we go. Yeah, it's nice and clean. I need to dry it off though before anything else. Yeah, I'm quite surprised it survived the trip. That's a long trip though. Like going to Cromwell, that's like 3.5 hour drive, which is quite crazy if you think about it. And yeah, pretty much done on this one. I had to move my other car down there to move my car down here. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the videos, and like and subscribe, hit the notification button. That's a bit embarrassing, but anyways, next week we're going to Chrome. Chrome is one of the biggest events here in South Island, which is a car event. There's like drag race, burnouts, and roll racing, cruise with mates. But I was about to enter, but unfortunately I'm having issues with the clutch. It's a bit sad, but anyways, I'm gonna end the videos now. I'll see you on the next vlog. Peace out.